Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading robot review video. Today we're going to look at the Sun trading robots which are currently dominating the Metatrader marketplace. I've bundled these all together as they are the same trading robot but optimized for different Forex pairs. This has meant that the author has managed to split his trading robot into 4 separate products, and you can see that he's doing very well from this. The regional Sun trading robot, which trades the Eurodollar, has sold 53 copies this month so far, and you can see that others are doing well. And at $799 a copy on average, that's pulled in $91,000 to the trading robot author for the month of August. Looking at the product description pages, they all say the same thing across all of them, not surprisingly, as they are the same product as I've mentioned. The main takeout from the product descriptions is that we have here a martingale system that trades the 1 minute time frame for the Forex pair that it's been optimized for, and it's available only for Metatrader 5. Yes, no Metatrader 4 versions. The main live signal that has been featured is this one, the Eurodollar, but it's on a demo account. You should never pay too much attention to demo accounts as they don't work completely the same way as live accounts. However, from the chart, you can already see that it takes small profits versus large losses, and it's recently taken a large loss. However, let's look at the live trading signal that the author has provided. This one is 8 weeks old versus the demo, which is 35 weeks old. You can see the live signal also has a large recent fall, so that gives me some comfort that the demo and live are doing something similar. You'll also note the live signals have just a small amount of funds put into them, 100 euros. That's very little skin in the game. And here with the other live signals, I've put the Eurodollar here for completeness. USD CAD also has a massive recent fall, and dollar Swiss, USD CHF, has had multiple large losses. The dollar yen pair so far has been the only ones which hasn't had recent falls. All of the live signals you'll see have very little funds in them, but at least they're using a decent reputable broker. There's also a signal which has all 4 trading robots together, and this one is doing awful. Lots of large losses which don't seem to match that of the previous 4 signals combined. I'm not sure what's happening here, but it seems that they don't like to work well with each other. I then ran the back test across all 4 trading robots and they all look fantastic. And I suspect a big part of the success for selling these trading robots are these results. The problem is that too many people just base their decision to buy on the backtest results. Backtests with Metatrader are rarely accurate, unfortunately. Looking at the Eurodollar, the backtest goes to 25,000, dollar yen to 700k, dollar CAD goes to 2.6 million, dollar Swiss 1.4 million, all starting from $500 in 2028. You see all the charts look quite linear, but the live signals we saw earlier don't quite look like this. In summary, amazing backtest results. This is the main selling point for this trading robot, and the live signals, especially with the recent results, do not look like what the expectation is if you compare them with the backtests. I suspect that the trading robot has been highly optimized and curve fitted, which could explain the amazing looking backtests. However, recent results are showing expectations are failing. It will be interesting to see if it can claw back from some of these big drops. In particular, I'd say that the Sun, dollar Swiss, the edge has gone from this trading robot. It's taken far too many losses in a short space of time. Given this trading robot is the same across all 4 pairs, I'd say it's a matter of time before the dollar yen pair also fails. We are already starting to see this with the Eurodollar and the dollar CAD. To be fair to the author and any other trading robot author, it's not easy to create a trading robot that will stand the test of time. They can only build trading robots using past historical data. Only if they've done enough robustness testing on their trading robots can they be more confident of the curve fitting, but it's still no guarantee. Anyway, if you want to check out the trading robots, here are the links to the products and live signals. I'll also leave the link to our recommended broker. Always use a top tier broker for your live trading. And that's it for today's video. If you got any value, please do like the video and subscribe if you haven't done so already. It really helps to support the channel. Until next time, happy trading.